Everyone who owns a Shiba Inu should read this important update. It was put out by Shiba Inu's lead developer Satoshi Kusama. We have to go through with it as we are planning to place the second layer of Shibarium solution. Be sure to keep watching this, because I'm going to be posting a video. Please watch this. There will be a number of further significant updates, so stay tuned. Before we get to the Shibarium update, I need to quickly cover the Shib Eternal update. What we already know: Shib Eternal progress. The team regularly adds new content to the game, that which is best in the world. A new update has been applied to the game. Changes made in Shiba 11.6 can be found in the corresponding changelog. The new features fancy moniker. As an added bonus, it adds some very interesting new functions. There was also an issue that was fixed that prevented the game from crashing. Because of this, if you are a fan of the game, you should definitely go see it. Ragnar Ships, a popular YouTube channel, recently shared an odd screenshot on their Twitter feed. The content of the Shiba Inu Telegraph. You can see that in. This is a screenshot of the situation. Reads easily: prepare the popcorn. If that's the case, know that you're not alone. Just don't know what this means. Being shy is Toshi's Achilles heel. However, using cryptic language is nothing new. And if I had to guess, I'd say Satoshi did it. Is alluding to the introductory paragraph. The purest form of barium. The popcorn is on him, so to speak. In a state of readiness for seeing the launching pure barium causes an explosion. Plus, it looks like from soon, Shi, Bari, and Beta will be sending out that message. There are a lot of people who share your view, it seems. In a remark made over Twitter area. Anyhow, your opinion is welcome. The video's concepts. Here's where you can leave your thoughts and opinions. If you think it's anything other than what it is, something to remember is essential. However, that a large percentage of the population of Shiba Inu shares this belief. Many people in the field of cryptography are nervous, looking forward to it being made public. The purest form of barium. That's not a lie. Those who commit themselves. The Shibarium Network's official Twitter has almost 59,000 followers. Therefore, it's ridiculous to think that. With love, for Satoshi. For fun and taunting banter. Now, let's talk about something else. Ultimately, I suppose all we can do is wait and see what happens. Okay, let's go on. Did you know that cryptocurrency persists despite obvious challenges in the market? Did you reach a significant milestone in 2020? A successful turn at bat. There are a lot of people that use that to their advantage. As a possible entry point into the Bitcoin market. The market at a fair price. By some estimates, there are currently over 425 million cryptocurrency holders, according to data compiled by Crypto.com. The firm declared that the analysis is predicated on a number of factors. Information collected via Bitcoin, Ethereum, and its own offspring, which is not chained. The findings provide credence to an earlier firm's projection of the total number of cryptocurrency holders. An additional firm with recent estimations. The amount of cryptocurrency holders across the globe reached triple digits. According to Bitcoin ledgers, this is the definitive method. As of 2023, a number higher than 420. We determined that there are 1 million users worldwide. The worldwide median percentage of cryptocurrency holders to be 4.2%. As a result, the number of people purchasing Bitcoin will rise dramatically in 2022. Lucky for us, a good chunk of that growth will be spent on new chips. One would have known that if they had been following Shiba Inu closely during the past year. Every year, thousands more people become part of the Shiba Inu family. Spends money almost constantly day. With any luck, this trend will carry on past the year 2023. Back to the Siberian ledger discussion. The leading Bitcoin hardware wallet supplier has officially announced its support for the cryptocurrency. When it finally comes out. In other words, they responded. A supporter of the Shiba Inu breed responded positively when asked if they would be supporting the Layer 2 platform by saying yes, before mentioning the element barium is currently included in their agenda. They went on to tell us to be vigilant, away from the computer to check for new versions. As the leading producer of hardware wallets, Ledger enjoys a global reputation for excellence. Like I have explained, it blows my mind. It's possible that they, like the rest of us, are anticipating the release of SheepRAM and making preparations to sign up. Furthermore, if, and when the actual onboarding occurs. True, that's what I thought. Get the barium out there where lots of people can see it. Provides a much-needed boost. Those who have it. Some people from a wide variety of cryptographic disciplines may opt to build their ideas on the cheap. Barium will form as a result of this exposure and in this way. Let's talk after that. How to make money and get cheap linear. Here on this station. Those who have made money off of SHIB investments. For the simple reason that they made it. The importance of timing one's investments has been discussed at length. Of course, not all people who invested in SHIBs would be considered SHIB investors. Achieve phenomenal financial success. The rationale behind this is simple. There were a lot of paper ones. Workers. People who were quick to sell out. They're symbols of loyalty when times were rough. You may already know this if you've studied its past. Shiba. You're probably aware that the number began with 9 zeros and is gradually losing them as it progresses. This extra zero was tacked on at a later date. Many token holders must have been scared off by this. The Shiba Inu unfortunately exploded on them. It was the next year, and those who had decided to wait, that the strike finally ended. A transition took place. Billionaires. And yet, I'm not giving you specific directives to follow. Here. And, please note that this is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. Learn on your own accord. Without a doubt. There will be trouble after that. Economist and Investor X has just released a chart that, in his opinion, all investors should study. That just tweeted. Another chart displaying the thriving markets for is seen in chart. It's been more than 20 years since then. When the dot-com industry was experiencing its heyday, there was a market crash. Within at least. Attempt number 2 at egress. Since you mention it, I'll assume that's what you mean. There is a high level of consistency between the classic market and the digital asset market. It's possible that we'll see the same thing happen again. In the not-too-distant future, Barry's theory may have some credence, as both traditional and digital assets approach local resistance levels. The expert is essentially saying that, similar to the dot-com bubble, the Bitcoin market could try to burst out but ultimately fail. But do you agree with that? That's something to think about. Take a comment you made today into consideration. But before we go any farther, that is something that our station does for free every day. 100,000. In order to take part in the freebie, you need to answer yes to the following question. Simply clicking the like button below will enough. Join the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. I hope things work out for you, Siobhan. Moreover, this membership is now available on channel. By joining, you will have access to a closed community. Come have a conversation with me where we can discuss achieving your goals. Money. Also, precious crypto. Select the join button to become a member. It's clear that people are averse to taking risks with their money in markets like stocks, cryptocurrencies, etc. When markets are under extreme pressure and the majority of institutional actors elect to stay out of them due to rising interest rates, retail actors acquire power and begin driving particular assets upward.